Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. For all of the people who are new to my channel, I'm traveling from India to UK as a student. So in coming days, you will be seeing a lot of videos which are related to student. That is for people who are traveling from India to UK as a student. Today is also a video which is for you guys. I would be helping you guys with some packing tips. So this video is going to be about how to pack as a student. So many airlines have travel restrictions, guys. So speak with your airline people. First, decide on which airline you wanted to travel, and then go ahead and pack according to that. I was traveling from India to UK via Air India. As Air India provided 23 kgs, two pieces. As a student, you can also avail another 23 kgs. So altogether, I would be eligible for 23 kgs luggage of three different pieces. So you just have to show your student visa, as well as you have to show your offer letter. So if you have these two in your hand, you guys can go ahead and pack 23 kgs three pieces. So keeping that in mind, after booking my tickets, I went ahead and bought my luggage. So I bought two suitcases along the one suitcase which I already had. So altogether, whatever items you have to pack for, you have to put it in three different packages. And along with these three suitcases which are allowed, you can also carry a laptop bag and a 7 kg cabin bag. So keeping all that in my mind, I decided I will pack this, I will pack that. I will be sharing a video wherein what to pack, what not to pack, guys. In this video, I will just be sharing how to pack so that if you have a lot of items, you can accommodate in these three suitcases without compromising. So do not skip the video until the end, because you might be missing something really important. I will be sharing some really important tips you might not be hearing from anyone, or you might have already heard but don't know how to do that. So yeah, let's go ahead. So these are called vacuum packaging, guys. I was about to share this thing with you guys. So this is vacuum package. You will have a plastic bag in it. Once you open the plastic bag, you guys can see there's this sealer which you get, and then you have this package. So this is the main important part of this vacuum packaging. So what happens is, once you place all your items in this package, all your clothes in this package, you open this thing, you open the nozzle of this. Once you open this, place the vacuum nozzle into this and remove all the air from this, and you guys gonna see how much space it's giving us. Almost all of these clothes can fit if you have this vacuum packaging, guys. So guys, let's see how to pack these into those vacuum bags. As I've explained, I just have to put all these clothes into that, and then you then place the vacuum nozzle on top of that and remove all the air, and you guys are gonna see the magic, how much space it's gonna save us. after packing everything in your vacuum bag, that is the package which you you have to seal everything as I showed earlier. And now what you have to do is you have to take your vacuum cleaner, or if you have the pump along with you, you can use that and remove all the air as I showed. I have prepared both of these like that. So I have to just put the nozzle over here and suck all of the air from this bag. So let's go ahead and do this. Now if you guys can see, this is how much it has shrunk, guys. I still have so much space left here. I can put many items. I have those clothes which I can pack. Now this is the special tip I had for you guys. This is really important if you have lot of luggage, guys. If you're just taking a little amount of luggage along with you, you don't have to worry all of this. However, if you're taking a lot of clothes like me, go ahead and purchase this vacuum bag, guys. You just have to remove all the air and it has a lot of space for you guys. It's just $4.99. The one I purchased was just $4.99. If you want, you all have in different sizes. It ranges from XL, L, and even smaller size. The one I bought was medium size. As I had a medium sized suitcase, I just went ahead and placed a medium sized one. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and click the link in the description box below to purchase that. It's available in Amazon, and it's available in Flipkart, and if you want to purchase, you can even buy offline store, but I'm not aware in which kind of offline store we get this thing. So to be frank, go ahead and purchase this online, guys. It's hassle free. And yeah, that's it for the today's video, guys. If you liked it, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's the only motivation you guys can give me. It would be helpful for me to do more such videos for you guys. Until then, signing off. Bye bye.